done analysis, 40 to 56% of the sale price constitute the taxes. Can we rethink, at least for affordable housing, these taxes? The environment NOC is a bigger challenge in front of us. How do we overcome with that? I think all these issues, I want all the panelists to debate, discuss. As I mentioned yesterday, the environment, more than 5,000 cases pending across India, pan-India, and we need to tackle that in a systematic manner. If we delegate to the local authority, municipal corporation or a planning authority, I think a lot of things can ease out. 90% of our pain can be taken away. The banking sector, of course, Baligar sir is here, so I would like to take advantage of his presence. Still they don't give, still they don't consider the cost of stamp duty, registration, VAT, service tax for funding to the home buyer while giving the loan. Developer funding many times become a dream. They don't fund at all to the developer's project. So I think banking sector need to have a relook. EWS policy, is it necessary to keep on a smaller plot? Can we not restrict more than 10 acre, a larger size wherein you make EWS? So it's a time has come where we need to think on those issues. I think with these couple of issues, with the opening remark, I leave to the panelists to give their respective presentation. Each panelist, because we have more number of the panelists, and same time, we must respect the time so that we'll try to finish in 10 minutes, each of the panelists, and try to keep 10 minutes at least for question answer, because we'd like to have a debate, not one-way traffic. I think with this, we would like to begin with this session. I now request my co-chair to Dr. K. Ramamurthy to offer his presentation. Thank you.
उसमें कर दो। Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Sunil. The topic for the convention is...
Just a minute, please, to introduce Amish also. Just a minute. Please just wait for a second.
Okay, okay. So 1 minute I'll disturb in between. Mr. Amish Devgana from Z Business is also present over here. I request to please come on dais. Yeah. May I call upon Mr. Chaudhary to, from HUDCO to offer a flower bouquet presentation to Mr. Amish, please, since he is here. We begin with the session.
Yeah, thank you. The topic is sustainable housing for the masses, and the introspection and the way forward is being thought of. I'll just give our views. I mean, in the sense, I represent a builder called IREO. So I'm going to take you through a few minutes on IREO introduction, hardly about 30 seconds, then step on to the sustainability part. IREO is the largest foreign fund established to bring about development in the various fields like townships, etc. It's in fact having an exclusive focus and is anchored by global financial institutions. What are our strengths? We bring in a global perspective. We definitely have a lot of transparency and we do the customer driving philosophy. In fact, we have set a lot of standards which other builders are able to now take care to follow the path which we have set. We are also primarily interested in the development, not on the land sale and resale. Our construction strategy is also truly imbibed with simplicity in designs, the factory conditions in the job site, and then more importantly the completion along the way. That means partial completion, remedy the defects with the construction yet underway. We have a difference in approach in terms of our looking at the real estate sector. We spend a lot of time in planning, and the idea is to get it right the first time. The systems are fine-tuned. More importantly, I would like to bring ourselves to this aspect that we discuss a lot of environmental related issues. In fact, we have got one of the best environmental section headed by one Dr. Asha, and what it really means is that we follow the expertise on throughout the project. Now let me come to the sustainability part of it, and that's what I'm interested in getting it to you. Environment has become a focus in the last 40 years, and sustainable development, what it implies is giving the limitations, taking care of the limitations imposed of the present technology, and that's where we are keen to have primarily sustainable built assets. First, what we have done is in fact what needs to be done is your intention should be clear. You need to recognize sustainability as an important and a worthy investment. We also do enough marketing to go about and set the quantification of the benefits that accrue from out of it. In fact, we are committed to it, and we are interested in lean practices. I'll come to it a little later also on this. What it means by minimum wastage is the 4 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, renewal. Our philosophy is in producing healthy and resource efficient building. In fact, our base specifications are equivalent to gold ratings. As you can see, all our projects are with gold rated stuff. Now let me come to the strategies which we have. The design strategies, they are focused